Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. New insights from the EULAR RheumAFacts project reveal striking disparities in rheumatology care across Europe. Data from 31 countries show that self-referral to rheumatologists is only allowed in 17. Access to the full range of biologic and targeted synthetic DMARDs varies significantly, with just 37 to 47% of patients having access. Non-pharmacologic supports such as physiotherapy and psychological care remain limited across many regions. In lupus, the Phoenix Go trial of Dapirolizumab Pegol met its primary endpoint, achieving a BICLA response at week 48. Patients experienced significant fatigue reduction, with improvements seen on both FACIT and Fatigue Pro scales. Remarkably, twice as many participants achieved low disease activity compared to the standard care group. Pozdeutinurad continues to show promise in chronic gout. 18-month data demonstrates sustained reductions in serum uric acid levels and resolution of TOFI. The therapy was well tolerated, with no renal or hepatic concerns. Phase 3 trials are ongoing and fully enrolled. In psoriatic arthritis, Bimzelx has shown 3-year durability. Over 60% of patients maintained complete skin clearance, with sustained joint symptom relief and strong results in both BDMARD naive and TNF inhibitor inadequate responders. Sotyktu demonstrated significant benefits over placebo in a recent psoriatic arthritis trial. ACR20 response rates reached 54.2%, compared to 34.1% for placebo at week 16. Benefits were maintained through 1 year, with a favorable safety profile and no new signals reported. Bimzelx, also known as TREMFYA, significantly slowed structural joint damage at week 24 in psoriatic arthritis. It also improved both joint and skin outcomes, marking it as the first interleukin-23 inhibitor to demonstrate this effect. The Global Healthy Living Foundation has launched 2 new digital tools to support arthritis patients. OA Compass helps guide decision-making for knee osteoarthritis, while Rheum Assessment enables real-time symptom sharing. Both tools have shown high patient engagement and willingness to share data. SciBase and Castle Biosciences have announced a partnership to develop a flare predictor for atopic dermatitis. The project aims to detect flares before symptoms arise using Nevisense technology, targeting both European and U.S. markets. Castle will become a major shareholder in SciBase. Dupilumab continues to demonstrate strong results in patients with skin of color affected by atopic dermatitis. At 24 weeks, 76% achieved an EASI-75 response. Improvements were also noted in pigmentation intensity and skin dryness, with no serious adverse events reported. Nemolizumab has received a positive funding recommendation from NICE for use in moderate to severe atopic dermatitis in the NHS. Rapid itch relief was observed as early as week 1. It is the first biologic for AD offering 4-week dosing from the beginning of treatment. ZEL-1503, a bispecific antibody targeting interleukin-13 and interleukin-31, has shown early promise in preclinical models of atopic dermatitis. The therapy blocked both inflammation and itch, with effects lasting up to 133 days. An investigational new drug filing is expected by the end of 2025. Rademikibart is showing encouraging results in asthma management. Lung function improvements were observed by week 1 and continued through week 24. In high inflammation subgroups, asthma exacerbations were reduced by up to 74%. Additional data is anticipated in 2026. IW601, a novel investigational agent, demonstrated safety and pharmacodynamic activity in a phase 1 trial. The therapy blocks monocytes and neutrophils from entering inflamed tissues. Dose-proportional pharmacokinetics and effective target engagement were observed. No serious adverse events have been reported. Multiple ascending dose cohorts are ongoing. Anaphylm, an oral epinephrine tablet, has been accepted for FDA review. The PDUFA date is set for January 31, 2026. If approved, Anaphylm could become the first needle-free option for treating anaphylaxis in the United States. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.